Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today launched the Prime Hub at Tura. In attendance were Commissioner and Secretary Dr. D. Vijay Kumar, who is also the CEO of Metal Building Manufacturers Association, DCs and entrepreneurs. On the challenges faced by entrepreneurs of the state, the Chief Minister said Meghalaya has a lot of faith and a lot of expectations from the entrepreneurs. Talking from experience as an entrepreneur myself, who did not receive any support when I started my IT business, I can feel the challenge and discouragement that entrepreneurs get, especially because they do not have anyone to guide them. Through my education in business administration, I had access to market background and research, but a lot of our people do not have this or even qualify for applying for a loan or any kind of funding from banks or agencies. On setting up of the Prime Hub in Tura, he stated, the Prime Hub will act as an incubation center, a meeting center and a center to create an energy among the youth. We hope that the Prime Hubs in different locations will address most of the issues our entrepreneurs face. Through this, we hope to create an ecosystem to give the push and support to the entrepreneurs who want to start their own business.
The challenge and the kind of discouragement that entrepreneurs get, especially when there is no place they need to go to or nobody to guide them. And for me, I was lucky to be able to study business administration, and so we had a lot of background on market research and business plan and all that stuff. But a lot of our people don't, and so they don't qualify even to ask for different kind of funding from banks or from other agencies, and they not be able to train themselves to realize that there needs to be contingency plan and so many other aspects in that we require in business. So therefore, this Prime Hub is supposed to act as an incubation center, plus a meeting center, plus a center just to create that energy in the youth, So you just have something you want to do and you just don't know who to talk to and who to, sit with. We're hoping that this Prime Hubs in different locations will address most of the issues that the entrepreneurs face. We may not be able to change everything, but we do hope to create the right ecosystem to really give that little push and support to the entrepreneurs who really want to start up their own businesses. And that's really skill training. We will give talent training. We will give cultural training. That means knowing your state, knowing your culture, knowing your people. And maybe also able to give some language training where Garos can learn Khasi language and Khasis can learn Garo language also. So something in this line we would like to push some of the youth policies and activities to really channelize the energy of the youth in a very productive manner.